Hello! This time we are going to do some collaborative drawings. Luckily, my niece Aela has been able to help me with that. So I did some drawings recently that I've shared with you, how to draw an elf, how to draw a snowman, and she did her own versions of those. And then what I'm going to do today is take those drawings and add my touch to it. So this will be kind of the third round. All right, I'll show you how to get started. Okay, so check this out. These are some drawings done by my niece, Aela. So she did a few where she redrew some of my how-to drawing videos. So this one is the elf. And then this one is based on the snowman drawing that I did, that she recreated. So I also want to show you that I made copies, that I have the originals and I can add to the copy ones. So the idea here is we do a bit of a collaborative drawing. So I think we will start with the elf and see how it goes from there. So Aela did this first part, then I'm going to add to the drawing. Give this elf some eyebrows. Give him some teeth. How about some big ears? This is my elf's hat. I'm going to make it striped. I'm going to make this hat come out a little bit wider. Okay, now go over everything. Don't use a Sharpie without asking your mom, dad, or adult that you live with. So you can use color pencils, pen, markers. I'm gonna make a little fuzzy top. I want to make sure Aela knows I still have the original, as that one is special. So I have the original and now we have our collaboration together. Okay, so now this is a collaborative drawing between Aela and I. It's a creation that only we could make together, both of our ideas. Okay, next we have the snowman. Or snow person, snow woman, I'm not sure. All right, this time, I think since we have a very finished looking snowman, I will add some more color and also some things in the background. So what do you think? If it's snowing, it's in an area that's cold, right? It's usually up north, and let's mix. So let's do some mountains in the background. Tall peaks. And we know that they're way behind the snowman, so it's okay that you don't see all the mountain because it's actually back behind the snowman. So this makes the snowman look like it's closer to us, right? If we have things behind it, if it's overlapping, right? Like this hand is over this hand, which is why you can't see my hand underneath it. This hand is closer. So same thing with our snowman. Our snowman is closer. So the mountains, even though they're huge, look smaller and they're back behind the snowman. They're covered up by the snowman a bit. A big mound of snow nearby. Someone decided they wanted to have a snowball fight too. And also another reason I like to do marker, pen, or something on top of my pencil is to make it look more finished. Especially since in Aela's original beautiful drawing, snowman is done in markers. The snowman looks more finished and I want the rest of my drawing to look just as finished as the snowman. Or not my drawing, our drawing. Now, I want to do some coloring. I'm going to give this snowman a polka dot hat. bringing the snowman to life a little bit more, right? Giving it some volume. And I think I'm gonna make these arms into big old carrots, actually. Okay, all right. Now, since we decided to make the snow kind of purpley, we'll want to make that, well, I like to make that the same for all the snow here. Sometimes you only really have to do a little bit to get the idea across. If you want to color it in all the way, then go for it. That is up to you. But for me, I'm just doing a little bit more like shadow. All right, I think it is done. I'm also going to do some new drawings with pieces missing and send them to her so she can finish them. I'm going to start with a heart. So let's see, point here, and a point here. And all right, that's sketched in well enough. And now what do I want to do with it? And what do I want to leave open for Aela to finish? We could turn this into anything. So we could put a little town on top or mountains. This could be a face. It could be both of those. I want to do enough to help give her ideas also. Maybe the eyes, maybe. We'll see. Maybe she changes them into something else. And I think I'll leave this in pencil, some of it. Because it's unfinished, right? It's not finished until the other person works on it too. Okay, I think that one is finished enough. Okay, and we'll do one more. Since I did two of hers, I'm gonna send her two from me also. I bet you have no idea what this is yet. I only sort of do. Any guesses? Okay, so I think I'll leave some of these pencil again, and some of them just start drawing. Don't think too hard about what you're drawing or what you want it to look like in the end. Just start drawing and see what happens. Just the trick is don't get too attached to your drawing because it's going to change. You don't know what someone else is going to come up with. And that's what makes it fun. All right, so we have two new drawings. And next time we'll get to see, or maybe not next time, but one of the next times, we'll see what they turn into. All right, thanks again for joining. See you soon.